Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and this is your quick look at the stories we've been covering that you need to hear about. The gold price was in focus in the resource space this week, taking a steep drop on Monday on the back of coronavirus vaccine news from Pfizer. The yellow metal plunged about $100, dropping from around 1960 to 1860. Speaking to INN, Lobo Tigra of Independent Speculator said he had anticipated that vaccine news could lead to a drop in the gold price. However, he doesn't think the fall will last. Lobo explained that the yellow metal was on an upward trajectory before the coronavirus hit, and while it's been a tailwind, it's not the main factor driving gold. More important elements, of course, include widespread global economic difficulties. The same applies to the US election, which Lobo said could provide short-term volatility for gold, but should not be considered a reason to panic. Outside the gold space, INN examined the downfall of Altura Mining, which entered receivership at the end of October. The company was a lithium producer in Western Australia, but it ran into problems. Benchmark Mineral Intelligence estimates that its total costs were in excess of $400 per tonne, much higher than the current spodumene price. What does that mean for Australia's lithium industry? While some companies in the country have struggled, it remains the world's top producer of lithium and is a key part of the market. Overall, experts are confident that future demand for lithium from the electric vehicle space will provide support moving forward. As for Altura, it's entered into a conditional agreement to be acquired by neighbor spodumene producer Pilbara Minerals in a deal worth $175 million. Going back to gold, we asked our Twitter followers this week how much a COVID-19 vaccine could impact the price of gold once it's announced. The poll was ongoing at the time of this recording, but most respondents said they don't think it will have a major impact in the long term. We'll be asking another question on Twitter next week, so make sure to follow us and share your thoughts. In the cannabis space this week, INN continued covering the US election, asking two market watchers what they think the event could mean for the industry. Casey Morrissey of New Frontier Data and Matt Carr of the Oxford Club were happy to see legalization programs approved in 5 states, but they don't expect to see full federal legalization under a Joe Biden presidency. That's an idea that we've been hearing throughout the election process, although both experts were able to expand. Casey said that federal decriminalization could happen, while Matt suggested that the success of state programs could actually end up deterring a federal movement. That's all for this week. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and interviews. You can also follow us on social media or click below for our free report or any article mentioned in this video. See you next time.